Everybody has heard about the bird.
I found this site last night. I was aware of this guy who impersonates Peter Griffin. I'd seen him on some Comic Con video, got promoted to me or whatever. Yeah, never thought anything of it at the time. But he's got his own channel. I didn't even know about this. Look what he's got on there. He's got him fighting the chicken. Yeah. So I thought I'll have a look at his videos, see what the crack is. Now it seems he was really popular about 3 years ago. 3 years ago, look. 3 years ago. 3 years ago. 3 years ago. 5 months ago. So he came back 5 months ago. Started doing videos like this. So yeah, I'll drop a few of his clips in now for you. See what you think to these.
Any other songs but that one?
Yeah, we could put on another one. Hold on.
We
We could put on one of my other favourite ones.
Yeah? Oh yeah? Alright, Peter.
Let's see.
Alright, let's watch this guy.
He's fine.
He'll be fine as long as you don't run into him. Who's watching Stewie?
I don't know. That's a good question. I enjoy KFC because they kill chickens here. I'd like to speak to Colonel Sanders.
Colonel Sanders?
Yeah, Colonel Sanders. Colonel Sanders here. Colonel Sanders isn't here.
He's not here.
Oh, damn it. It's all Meg's fault.
Come on! Let's go! Come on! Come on! Oh, get up, Peter! Oh, get up! I'm not done with you, Ernie! I'm not done with you!